In this video, you'll learn how to send Ethereum from your Phantom wallet to KuCoin. By following these steps, you will be able to transfer your ETH securely and efficiently. Begin by opening the KuCoin application or website. Once the platform loads, you should see the main dashboard displaying various options and your account details. Next, navigate to the assets section, which is usually found in the main menu. After selecting assets, look for the deposit option and click on it. This action will take you to the deposit screen where you can choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. On the deposit screen, locate and select Ethereum or ETH from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Once you click on Ethereum, the system will display the deposit address associated with your account. After that, copy the ETH deposit address provided on the screen. This address is essential for transferring your Ethereum, so ensure you have it copied correctly to your clipboard before proceeding. Now, open your Phantom wallet application. Once it is open, look for the Ethereum section. This is typically displayed prominently on the main wallet screen. Click on Ethereum to access your ETH holdings. After that, find and click on the More option, which may be represented by 3 dots or a similar icon. This will reveal additional actions you can take with your Ethereum. Next, select Send from the list of available options. This action will open a new screen where you can input the details for your transfer. In the Send screen, paste the KuCoin ETH address you copied earlier into the designated address field. Confirm that the address is accurate to avoid any potential loss of funds. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to send in the specified field. Once you have input the amount, review your transaction details carefully before clicking Send to initiate the transfer. After confirming the send action, you may see a loading indicator or confirmation message indicating that the transaction is in process. Depending on the network conditions, the transfer may take a few moments to complete. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.